Students, today we are to start with the male reproductive system. In the male reproductive system, let us first discuss the male sex organs. Sex organs. Definitely male sex organs. They are of two types. One is the primary sex organs, and second is the secondary sex organs. Primary sex organs are those sex organs which produce gametes and sex hormones. The primary sex organs in case of male humans, they are testes. There are two testes and singular is called testis. There are two functions of the testes. Number one is the formation of male gametes, that is sperms. Male gametes and sperms. And second is the production of sex hormones. Sperms are the male gametes. The major sex hormone in case of male humans is testosterone, and there is also DHT, that is dihydrotestosterone. Primary sex organs are those sex organs which produce gametes and hormones, sex hormones. Testes are the primary sex organs in humans. And this singular is testis. They have got two functions: formation of sperms, that is male gametes, and production of sex hormones. The main sex hormone, male sex hormone, is testosterone, and second is DHT also, that is dihydrotestosterone. Now coming to the secondary sex organs. They neither produce gametes and nor any hormones. They are of three types. Number one, this is number two, this is number one, this is number two, this is number three. First is external genitalia. The external genitalia includes scrotum and penis. These are two included in external genitalia. And second is male sex accessory ducts. Ducts means tubes. are the Reed testis. We will be studying in detail Reed testis, and then comes the vasa afferentia. Vas afferens is singular. Vas afferens is singular. Then comes epididymis. We are talking about one testis. Same type of Reed testis, vas afferens and epididymis will be in the other testis. And then comes vasa deferentia. Vas deferens is singular. Then this vas deferens, it enters the abdomen. It enters the abdomen. We will talk it later on. Again, the male sex accessory ducts or male sex reproductive ducts. That is one and the same thing. These are, as it was scrotum, it was penis, here it is Reed testis, it is vasa afferentia, both together, then epididymis, and then vasa deferentia. That vasa deferentia that enters the abdomen through the spermatic cord or in inguinal canal, we will talk it later on. Again, secondary sex organs neither produce gametes and nor hormones, but definitely they secrete useful substances which are needed for sexual reproduction. And the secondary sex organs are of three types: external genitalia, which includes scrotum and penis, and male sex accessory ducts, that it includes Reed testis, vasa afferentia, epididymis, vasa deferentia. Vasa deferentia enters the abdomen. And then third is the male accessory glands. They are of three types: male sex accessory, that is glands. They are of three types. Number one, seminal vesicles. Number two, prostate gland. Number three is the Cooper's glands or bulbourethral glands. Number one, seminal vesicles. Number two, prostate gland. Number three, Cooper's glands. These seminal vesicles are one pair. It means two in number. Prostate gland is one single and very large gland. Cooper's glands are also two in number. That is one pair. These all glands give their own secretions, and these secretions are a part of the semen. It means the semen contains sperms from the vasa deferentia plus secretions from the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and Cooper's glands or bulbourethral glands. The secretions of the seminal vesicles form about 60% of the semen, total secretions, and these form about 25 to 30% or 20 to 30%, and these form about 5 to 7%. These are the secretions. This is rather, let us say, 25 to 30%, and this is 5 to 7%. So students, this is all for today, and thank you very much.